I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device so the update runs without interruption. First, plug the iPad into power or confirm it's at least 50% charged. This prevents shutdowns during installation. Once done, back up to iCloud or to your computer with iTunes so you can restore settings if needed. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and check storage. Updates need free space, so remove large files now to avoid stalls. You'll now fetch the update from Apple's servers. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. The device finds available versions. Tap Download and install and enter your passcode when asked. This authorizes the change. The download can take minutes to an hour depending on size and Wi-Fi. Once complete, tap Install. Keep the iPad plugged in and don't interrupt the screen. The installer reboots the device and applies changes automatically. You're at the finish line. Follow on-screen prompts after the reboot to restore any settings and sign in if requested. Verify apps open and data synced. If something looks off, reboot the iPad once more. If the update fails during download, free up storage or restart Wi-Fi and retry. If the device won't boot or is stuck, connect to a computer and use iTunes to restore the firmware. This recovers a bricked iPad but may require restoring your backup afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.